Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to flash Android 13 custom ROM on Xiaomi Mi 10T. Please watch complete video. This method is different than otherwise I am not responsible for any issues. Before flashing Android 13 custom ROM, update your mobile to latest stock MIUI version. Or flash fastboot firmware MIUI version 13.0.10 by Mi Flash Tool. Your phone bootloader must be unlocked. On your PC, make sure you have ADB installed on your computer. If not, download ADB from description. Download and unzip platform tools on your desktop. All links in description.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well,
Reboot your phone to fastboot mode.
No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I
Open Platform Tools folder and paste TWRP Recovery Android 13 in Platform folder.
as you fade away.
Type CMD and press enter. Now connect your phone to computer. And see in Device Manager. Your phone proper connect to PC. If not, then install ADB driver. Now type command fastboot devices. Type command fastboot boot space. Take Android 13 recovery from Platform Tools folder and leave on CMD menu. Press enter.
Never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Don't disconnect your phone from PC. Now go to Advanced and press ADB sideload.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Type command on CMD menu. ADB sideload. Space. Take Android 13 file and leave on CMD menu. And press enter. And wait. Don't disconnect and don't touch your phone. Ignore this error. Press on Reboot System. Hold Volume Up button. Your phone boot to stock recovery. Now press Volume Down. Select Wipe Data. Press Volume Down. Select Confirm by Power Off button. And wait for wiping data. Now press Power Up button. Back to main menu. Press Power Off button. Reboot to system. Now enjoy Android 13. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please support me. Give this video a like. And don't forget subscribe.